Subliminal messaging dates back to the early 20th century. In 1957, James Vicary claimed that flashing "eat popcorn and drink Coca-Cola" during a movie increased sales. Though he later admitted to fabricating results, the experiment sparked widespread interest. Subliminal messages can be visual or auditory. Visual messages are quick flashes, too brief for conscious detection, while auditory messages are embedded within other sounds at low volumes. Both types aim to influence the subconscious mind without conscious awareness. The central premise is that the subconscious mind can absorb information unnoticed by the conscious mind. This idea is rooted in Sigmund Freud's psychoanalytic theories. Additionally, subliminal priming can affect subsequent thoughts and actions without conscious guidance. The effectiveness of subliminal messaging is debated. Some studies show minor effects on mood and behavior, while others find negligible impact. Critics argue that supportive studies often have methodological flaws, calling for more rigorous scientific scrutiny. Subliminal messaging raises ethical concerns, particularly around consent and manipulation. Since these messages bypass conscious awareness, individuals cannot make informed decisions about their exposure, leading to potential misuse in advertising, politics, and other areas.